Thanks a lot for joining us for the TRD takeover. We've got a couple of exciting new products that we'd like to show to you today.
Looks like you got something pretty exciting under these covers.
Show me what you got, man. It's gonna be cool.
And I like that color.
Yeah, this is called Supersonic Red. This color is exclusive to the TRD model. It's a hotter version of the Avalon that was just introduced last year.
It's racy looking.
Looks like my race car. What's the inspiration behind it?
We got a lot of inspiration from the different racing elements and circuit racing, so you can see it has some big changes. If you like this one, let's check out the other one real quick, and then we can talk some specs.
Looks like something you should be going to SEMA with.
I don't know which one I like better.
And I love this white. Look at this. This is beautiful. This right here makes a perfect funny car body.
It's not just all looks, but there's also the performance side. We actually did a lot of track driving to tune the shape of it, to especially improve the high-speed stability.
Hey, more downforce the better, right?
Exactly. We've stiffened up the suspension. We've got stiffer springs, stiffer shock absorbers, stiffer sway bars, all to really flatten out the cornering and the handling.
We adopted unique coil springs on these vehicles to lower the ride height on them. We also increased the spring rates, front and rear, stabilizer bars, all upgraded to as high as we could.
Pretty large brakes too, so you got some good stopping power.
The rotors, the calipers, the pads are all upgraded for TRD. Both vehicles have an improved brake package. These vehicles both have an upgraded TRD catback exhaust system. It is a much more aggressive startup sound. You're gonna hear it when you're driving this with TRD vehicles.
What about some of the stuff on the inside?
Oh yeah, it looks really nice. I really like how you guys have upgraded the interior to make it look aggressive with the red trim in it.
This interior is incredible.
Seats are comfy in this thing.
Ooh, the purr is nice.
Yeah.
Yes, I like it. So smooth.
It's on point. That might scare some people at stoplights.
These things are nice because of the best of both worlds. They're more, they can be a daily driver, but then you can go and have fun on a mountain road or out in the country or out on the track even.
And this thing looks like it's got the total package. They look good, they sound good.
The TRD badging on them too, that's pretty neat. It's cool, it's more than just a ground effects package.
It takes it to the next level. As race car drivers, we can appreciate this for sure.
Hopefully a little bit of what we've learned in the stock cars has made it into these bad boys.
Oh, they will, yeah. Cool, thanks again.
Thank you.